they aren't looking at the big picture. It appears to me that people that aren't necessarily as trained as they should be are being given almost godlike authority. If they want to take a child, they can. The case in Miami County, their last caseworker, she had graduated from Emporia State with a social work degree, and within 30 days was assigned case manager to a long-term case with a child with serious issues. And after approximately 4 months, she believed that this child should be returned home. She believed that everything, that father had done everything. And when the agency refused to agree and refused to do anything, she quit. And she said she had seen way too many things that the agency was doing that were wrong. She hadn't gotten into it with that being, she had gotten into it to help kids, help families, make progression, and at every one she was blocked. And instead she quit. And I don't even know what she's doing now. But she wasn't going to support that kind of behavior. The reality is, they say whatever they need to do to keep the children where they want them. And in this case, it's very questionable. The whole thing regarding this child removal is extremely questionable. I mean, there's no basis, no support for it. And there's just way too many things like that are in place where people are given so much authority and power without training, without considering, in my understanding, what is in the best interest of these children. I do understand that we need a strong foster system. I do understand that we need agencies that will help manage this. I do understand that there are children that need to be in child needed care for and need to be removed from these homes, and that there are families out there that are willing and able to care for them. However, my general experience, based on many things that I've seen. I mean, I reviewed a case and was involved in an appeal of a case where the agency worker said that children should be removed because one of the reasons was because the mother won't clean up after the father. The father is working full time and working really hard, and she won't clean up after him. However, she's taking care of 4 children in the home. But they didn't see that as viable. This worker had been out of school for approximately 2 months when she became the case manager and became basically the controlling factor, because most judges in this state do value the opinion and look for what they would consider an independent opinion. However, when you're coming out and you have that little life experience, she was 23 years old, just out of college, and telling this parent that one of the reasons that she should not have her children is because she won't clean up after her husband, just shows the lack of life experience that you need to be able to have to understand what's really going on and what is in the best interest of these children. I understand you guys have an arduous task here trying to figure out a way to make this system work better. I appreciate all the efforts you're putting into it. And if you have any questions, I'm open to answer.